champion, 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 champion.
Good morning, India. Good morning, Pune. I am Meeta Shah. It's a great feeling welcoming you all to this beautiful, sunny, shiny, and starry morning. To this 14th state level competition award ceremony 2021. A warm welcome to our founder and president of UCMAS Global, Professor Dr. Dino Wong. A hearty welcome to our national head, Dr. Snehal Karya. A very, very cheerful welcome to our state head, Nitin sir and Rashmi ma'am. A respectful welcome to all our parents watching, their friends and relatives. A friendly welcome to all our franchisee partners and teachers. And last but not the least, a very, very bubbly welcome to all our small, cute kiddos.
Every year, we look forward to this day with a lot of enthusiasm and spirit. Preparations with the children begin early, and all of us wait to hear the names of the winners. This year, too, the excitement is same, and we want to acknowledge and felicitate our shining stars in this one-of-its-kind award ceremony. It's going to be an epic event, my friends, as today we are meeting each other on a virtual platform, but keeping the same fervor and excitement in our mind and not an ounce less.
Thank you, Nina. First of all, I would like to apologize all of you that we are late by some time due to some technicalities problem. Now, I would like to invite our two pillars of Pune region. They are respected Nitin sir and Rashmi ma'am. Please come on the stage. Before I hand over my mic to Nitin sir, I would like to say a few lines. They are two most respected dignitaries. Dignitaries, but they never act as dignitaries. Having power, but humble. On high post, but down to earth. Who have taken UCMAS Pune region to a different level. Who have always heard to and respected franchisees and course instructors' point of view. Who are great planners and executors. They are none other but Nitin sir and Rashmi ma'am. We love you both. Thank you.
Good morning to all our students, parents, indeed to all our associates across the country. I'm sure both of us are not deserving of all that Meeta ma'am has just said. It's a big surprise. But coming from a guru, I think we'll have to accept it. दोस्तों, ये अवार्ड सेरेमनी का फंक्शन है. यहाँ पर इस हॉल में जो हमारे एक्चुअल हीरोज होते हैं अवार्ड सेरेमनी के, यानी हमारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे, वही नहीं है। और ये थोड़ी सी दुख की बात है, लेकिन हमें खुशी इस बात की है कि हमें पूरा यकीन है कि हमारे सारे बच्चे अपने अपने घरों में बैठकर बिल्कुल सुरक्षा के साथ में ये कार्यक्रम देख रहे हैं। Well, this award ceremony today is not an isolated event, let me tell you. It is a culmination of the fierce determination, the resolve, the enthusiasm of all our students, their parents, and of course, all our teachers and partners. Without that, we would not have been standing here today at all. दोस्तों, ये जो साल भर पहले की जो इवेंट्स हुए हैं, टोटली अनएक्सपेक्टेड, ये इवेंट्स ऐसे हुए कि none of us could have reacted any differently. But what happened? हमारा जो determination था, it has seen through all the challenges that year 2020 posed for us. और यही तो साल 2020 का पूरा सरमाया है, online. To say that moving on to online things was challenging is an understatement. Because Zoom, Google Meets वगैरह जैसे जो वर्ड्स है ना, वो हम में से कई लोगों तो सुने भी नहीं थे, इस्तेमाल करने की तो बात छोड़ दीजिए। And yet, we at UCMAS, because we are a multi-country organization, 82 countries, all over India, all our partners, all of us came together and we were able to roll out the online system of training, teaching, learning very early. In fact, जब ये लॉकडाउन का सिलसिला शुरू हुआ पिछले साल, तो एक बड़ा सवाल था किस तरीके से हमारे बच्चों को एंगेज किया जाए। But because of all the help and guidance that we got from everyone, UCMAS इस ऑनलाइन तरीकों में सफल हुआ। और ये सफलता सिर्फ हमारी नहीं है, ये सफलता आप पेरेंट्स की है, ये सफलता आपके बच्चों की है। क्योंकि हमारे सामने ये भी चैलेंज था कि हम लोग तो ऑनलाइन चले जाएंगे, लेकिन क्या हमारे बच्चे ये सीख पाएंगे? उनको जो आदतें थी अभी तक, the habits they had of coming to the center every Saturday or Sunday or any other weekday, you know, learning from our teachers, one-to-one, doing that masti in the class, ये सारी चीजें suddenly missing हो गई थी। But all credit to you parents कि आपने support किया in terms of the devices, in terms of your time, and of course students तो इतने smart हैं आजकल। इस मंच पर खड़े होकर मैं अपने सारे टीचर्स को एक बहुत बड़ा सैल्यूट करना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ देम, यू नो, सो मेनी चैलेंजेस फॉर देम ऑल्सो, कनेक्टिविटी इश्यूज, डिवाइस इश्यूज, सीखना, यू नो, अनलर्निंग द फिजिकल मेथड्स, लर्निंग द ऑनलाइन मेथड्स, ये सारी चीजें करते करते हमने ऑनलाइन जर्नी हमारी शुरू की। अच्छा, ऑनलाइन जर्नी तो शुरू हो गई, लेकिन उसके बाद में जो हमारी एनुअल इवेंट्स होती हैं, उन एनुअल इवेंट्स का क्या किया जाए? कॉम्पिटिशंस फिर एक चैलेंज था। हाउ डू वी एक्चुअली कंडक्ट अ कॉम्पिटिशन? हाउ डू वी कंडक्ट अ कॉम्पिटिशन विच कैन बी फेयर टू एवरीवन, विच कैन बी ट्रांसपेरेंट, जिसमें सारे बच्चों को प्रैक्टिस करने की सुविधा मिले, उन सारे बच्चों को जो पेपर्स है वो करेक्शंस हो जाए। हाउ डू वी डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स? ये सारे चैलेंजेस हमारे सामने थे। एंड हियर आवर नेशनल ऑफिस was able to tie up with a global organization again to develop a software with face recognition technology, and you saw how we were able to execute our national and state level competitions. Well friends, इस साल हमने हमारे winners के positions हमने रिवील नहीं किए हैं. सो आई एम श्योर बच्चे और पेरेंट्स जो बैठे हुए हैं, इनफैक्ट ऑल आवर पार्टनर्स आर वेरी वेरी ईगर टू नो कि कौन सा बच्चा चैंपियन बना है, कौन फर्स्ट रनर अप है, क्या है, वगैरह वगैरह. बट एक चीज बता दूं, जैसे मैं हर साल कहता हूं कि आप जितने बच्चों ने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया है, ऑल ऑफ यू आर चैंपियंस एज फार एज वी आर कंसर्न. आप लोग सब चैंपियंस हो. एंड उस दिन यानी 13th and 14th फरवरी को आपके किसी दोस्त ने जो 2 सम ज्यादा सॉल्व किए होंगे, आपकी एक आधी गलती ज्यादा हो गई होगी, इस वजह से शायद आपकी पोजीशन आगे पीछे हो जाए. बट आपने यह देखना है कि जिस वक्त आपने प्रैक्टिस शुरू की थी और जिस दिन आपने कंपटीशन अपीयर की, उस दिन आपने कितने सम्स किए वर्सेस आपने कहां से शुरुआत की थी. और ये जो जर्नी है वो आपकी संपत्ति है, वही आपकी पूंजी है, वही आपका वेल्थ है. एंड बिलीव मी पेरेंट्स, बिलीव मी चिल्ड्रन, ये संपत्ति, ये वेल्थ आपसे कभी कोई नहीं छीन सकता है. दिस इज समथिंग विच इज गोइंग टू बी परमानेंट. सो विद दैट आई विल नाउ hand over to Rashmi to take things forward. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Nitin sir. Good morning, parents. Good morning, children. Good morning to all the franchisee partners and dear course instructors. I know you all are eagerly waiting to know the winning position of your students. Winning positions, बच्चे अब बहुत ध्यान से देख रहे होंगे. जैसे नितिन सर ने कहा, who's the champion, who's first runner up. Lot of suspense, and we'll be starting with the award ceremony soon. But before that, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for contributing towards the success of this event. Okay, so very soon we'll be starting with the award ceremony. All the best to you, children. We have seen you practice very hard. So for us, you all are champions. Okay, so we are starting the award ceremony. But before that, we have a message from our national CEO, national head, Dr. Snehal Karia, CEO, UCMAS India. So let's watch the video.
Hi everyone, this is once again Dr. Snehal Karia from UCMAS India office. And I wanted to address you guys to say how excited all of us at the India office are for the 14th UCMAS Pune's state level competitions award ceremony. Every year since 2014, I have had the privilege of being there with you and celebrate this joyous occasion where so many hundreds of students would be awarded based on the performance and the sincerity and the dedicated efforts they put in. Unfortunately, this year it's an online platform, and it is definitely going to be a memorable Facebook Live event. We look forward to it. I congratulate all the winners, and at the same time also would like to say that participating in a competition itself makes you a winner. So those of you who did not get a chance to win something today, it's absolutely fine, because you have already achieved a lot since the time you started the practice and by today. I would also like to say that the international competition, the UCMAS Online Challenge, is around the corner. Registrations have started. So you guys have done perfectly well in the nationals. We just got over. Now the state level, and now you get a chance of becoming world champions at the online challenge. So looking forward to having your registrations for the online challenge, and wishing you the best for this state level competitions award ceremony. Thank you so much for having me, Nitin and Rashmi. I look forward to watching the live event on this Sunday, 10 a.m. onwards. Thank you so much, all of you. My dear children, good luck. Way to go. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Snehal sir, for your ever encouraging words. I know sir has told us that it's the international competition which is coming up, and I know the children who are watching after the NLC, after the SLC, the next eye is on the ILC. Dear friends, We all know that every year the competition is one of the most sought after event. The children, the CIs, the franchisees all gear up for more than 2 months earlier for from the actual date, and preparations begin. The competition, as you have always witnessed, is held in the grand venue of Balewadi Stadium, and everybody looks forward to it. The bustling and hustling of more than 2,000 students in one venue is a high energetic view, and an awesome one too. The happy and excited faces of the children on that day are a visual treat, and we would not miss this opportunity to bring to you those same nostalgic moments again. So let us see our next video of the previous SLC.
Thank you very much for the lovely video. गुरु को हमारे देश में भगवान से भी महान माना गया है, तो ये मान्यता को, ये परंपरा को यूसीमास कैसे भूल सकता है? यही परंपरा को अनुसरण करते हुए शिष्यों से पहले गुरुजनों का बहुमान सत्कार और पुरस्कारों से उनका सम्मान किया जाएगा। गुरु वो सीढ़ी है जिन पर चढ़ के शिष्य सफलता की चोटी को सर करता है। तो आओ मैं ये सफ़र के लिए इनवाइट करूंगी रश्मि मैम और नितिन सर को कि आए और उनको सम्मानित करें।
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, जैसा मीता मैम ने कहा कि ये वक्त आ गया है कि हम हमारे गुरुओं का सम्मान करें और उन गुरुओं के जो मेंटर्स हैं यानी हमारे पार्टनर्स हैं उनको सम्मानित करें। So to start the proceedings, ladies and gentlemen, सबसे पहला अवार्ड जो है वो इस स्टेट लेवल कंपटीशन में जो सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस यानी हमारे ये 2 अवार्ड्स होते हैं, सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस, एंड द फर्स्ट पोजीशन गोज टू यूसीमास विमान नगर वाघोली, बिन्सी थॉमस एंड हर टीम। I would request you to please come forward. So this has been an annual tradition, and they have been coming as a team. So this is for the Center of Excellence State Level Competition 2021. Thank you. Okay, and the second award for the Center of Excellence this year comes to a newcomer, and that is Varsha Desai from UCMAS Aund. आप में से कई लोग इनको पहचानते होंगे. ये हमारे मास्टर ट्रेनर भी हैं, along with Meeta ma'am, and it's a pleasure to have her moving into this position. Thank you so much. Okay, लेकिन इन लोगों की जो सक्सेस है वो उनके टीचर्स, यानी जिन्होंने एक्चुअली बच्चों को शायद मोटिवेट किया है, उनको एनकरेज किया है, उनके बिना शायद इनकी सक्सेस नहीं हो पाती. एंड सो we move on to the excellence in teaching. Excellence in teaching. The first award goes to Deepti Mai Mishra, UCMAS Viman Nagar. हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि इस हर साल ये अवार्ड शायद इनको जाता है. Every year we think that things will change. But the more things change, the more they remain the same. Okay. So that's Deepti Bai Mishra. Congratulations to you, ma'am. The second award for excellence in teaching. In fact, there are going to be 2 awards now for excellence in teaching. So let's have a couple of heartbeats up. The first one goes to Shweta Daima from UCMAS Aurangabad. She is not here, unfortunately, today. And which means that we will have to move on to the next award. That is Malleshwari Yenugala from UCMAS Viman Nagar. Malleshwari ma'am has been with UCMAS Viman Nagar for a long time now. Congratulations so much to you. Then we move on to another award जो हम encourage करते हैं. जैसे हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि हमारे सारे बच्चों ने UCMAS के competitions में participate करना चाहिए, because participation itself ensures that they improve. So the maximum students participation this year is again UCMAS Viman Nagar Wagholi. Ms. Binsi Thomas. Binsi, can you please come on stage again? So that's her team which is walking in here. Color coordinated again as usual. Yes, you'll have to maintain certain social distancing norms this year. Okay, so that is for maximum students participation from UCMAS, Viman Nagar and Wagholi. Thank you so much. Okay. And just to give you a heads up, Deepti ma'am, आप settle मत हो जाइए वहाँ पे, क्योंकि maximum students participation from a teacher is Deepti ma'am, Deepti Mai Mishra, again UCMAS Viman Nagar. Okay, so now ये हमारे कुछ हर साल के अवार्ड्स हैं. इस साल हमने कुछ और थोड़े से अवार्ड्स इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं, because this year has been challenging for everyone. When I talk of this year, I mean 2020 has been challenging. There are a lot of people who have overcome these challenges and yet have managed to perform so well. So, first and foremost, just to follow Meeta ma'am's words, is that we have the Dronacharya Awards this year. So the Dronacharya Awards for the year 2020 and 2021. First one goes to Meeta ma'am for being an excellent teacher of our teachers. Okay. And the second Dronacharya Award, of course, goes to Varsha ma'am, Varsha Desai ma'am. There we are. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Just to break the system, I will request Meeta ma'am and Varsha ma'am to please come here. आप आपकी ट्रॉफी सुरक्षित तरीके से वहां पे अपने टेबल पर रख दीजिए और यहाँ पे आइए और थोड़ा सा इधर आइए, इधर आ जाइए। थोड़ा सा हमें बताइए कि जब ये ऑनलाइन तरीके शुरू हुए तो ऑब्वियसली आपको भी काफ़ी चैलेंजेस थे टू स्टार्ट विथ, बिकॉज many of us were not aware of how to go about it, computer operate करना वहाँ से शुरुआत थी शायद. So how did you overcome that? How did you get around to teaching all the others?
Thank you, sir. It was really a great challenge because I myself was not tech savvy at all. I had to learn so many things, but I am happy that I have improvised myself. And a great thank you to Rashmi ma'am, who kept on hammering and teaching and bringing us up. So this was how we could reach the platform where we are today. Thank you. Over to Varsha ma'am.
थैंक यू मीता मैम. जस्ट मीता मैम ने जो कहा वही कि पहले तो हमें जूम भी सुना नहीं था, कुछ भी सुना नहीं था, लेकिन रश्मि मैम ने बहुत ही एफर्ट्स लिए हमारे लिए. और रश्मि मैम ने हमारे लिए बहुत ही एफर्ट्स लिए और हमने हमारे साथ साथ हम सारे पूना रीजन के CIs के लिए सेशंस लेके एक एक बात में क्या क्या डिफ़िकल्टी आती है वो समझ के सारे डिटेल में हमने प्रोग्राम जारी ही रखा. हम कहीं भी रुके नहीं और उसके लिए यूसीमास इंडिया, यूसीमास पूना ने हमें बहुत ही हेल्प किया कि रुकने ही नहीं दिया. बट उसका फल आज ये है कि उसकी वजह से ऑनलाइन कंपटीशन भी हो पाई और हमारे बच्चों ने अच्छा भी काम किया और आज हम सब यहाँ पे है ये सेरेमनी के लिए.
The first class I took was on 28th March 2020. And that time I was thinking, why we are doing all this? Let's not wait and watch. अभी एक महीने में सब खत्म हो जाएगा, जून से शुरू हो जाएंगे. But see, the problem dragged on for a year and we were so comfortable and now are so comfortable that it is a great success of online conducting classes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Meeta ma'am. Thank you so much, Varsha ma'am. Thank you so much. I promise that we did not tell them to praise Rashmi. They did it on their own. And चलिए, और जैसे इन्होंने कहा, we did not stop. And this not stopping, जैसे आप सबको पता है, जैसे मीता मैम ने अभी कहा कि लास्ट वीक ऑफ मार्च में हमने शुरू कर दिए थे. एंड अगेन आई रिपीट, a lot of credit goes to all of you who joined these classes. आप लोग आए उन मीटिंग्स में और ये सिलसिला शुरू हो गया. Anyway, so like I said earlier, कि there are some outstanding performances despite all these problems. And we are going to honor a few of our partners who have had a fantastic year despite the challenges. Okay, so first one, Outstanding Performance of the Year award goes to Shirley Paul from UCIMAS NIBM Road Center. Shirley, as you know, has been probably the oldest, not in terms of age, but in terms of the years that she has spent with UCIMAS, and runs an excellent center. And she fully deserves the Outstanding Performance for the Year award for the year 2020. Congratulations, Shirley. The next Outstanding Performance for the Year award is for Shubhangi Karle. Shubhangi Karle ma'am from UCIMAS Talegaon. This is another lady जिन्होंने कोई ब्रेक नहीं लिया जैसे ही हम ऑनलाइन हो गए. Despite the challenges that she faces in Talegaon, went ahead and continued with online classes. Not only online classes, हमने कई सारे सेशंस इनके साथ स्कूलों में किए जहां पे ट्रायल क्लासेस शुरू हुए, काफी कुछ चीजें की. Okay, we also have an Outstanding Achievement Award for Mrs. Suguna Kalburgi, but unfortunately she is not here today. But that's another center in Bhosri which has really performed so well. Okay, and there's another award for the outstanding performance. And mind you, ladies and gentlemen, ये जो awards हम दे रहे हैं, this is not only in terms of the actual business generated, but this is also for the attitudes, for the enthusiasm that these people have shown. And for that, we have Avanti Magdiwar from UCMAS Vadgaon Sherry, who's also been a standout performer for the year 2020. Congratulations to all of you. Okay. We also have some special awards for people who have reached out. They have reached out to schools even during these challenging times. हमने सबने सोच लिया था अब तो क्या स्कूल बंद है तो अब कैसा किया जाए, स्कूल में कैसे जाएंगे हम, लेकिन हमारे कुछ दोस्तों ने, हमारे कुछ पार्टनर्स ने ये भी काम किया. And for that, we have Amruta Vadangekar from UCMAS Sinhagad Road, who reached out to schools, did a lot of hard work, and was successful in getting a lot of admissions from there. Congratulations. We also have in this category Mrs. Manisha Mahajan. This is not an easy job, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen. बंद स्कूलों के दरवाजे खटखटाना ये आसान काम नहीं है और ये भी इन्होंने कर दिखाया है. Congratulations to you. Well, there has been one more such person who has also gone out of her way to reach out to schools, and that is Meeta ma'am. So Meeta ma'am also gets an outstanding outreach award. बहुत पेशेंटली स्कूलों को कांटेक्ट करना, उनके पीछे लगना, all these things she's been doing in all this situation, and for that a hearty congratulations to Meeta ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, this doesn't seem to be a technical problem. Okay. Chali. Okay. ये सारी चीजें हमारे हम लोग okay, here we are. So there, congratulations to all the winners. We also have some appreciation awards, and these are for people who, of course, like I keep saying, despite the challenges faced, some on the domestic front, some externally, ये सारी चीज़ों को ओवरकम करते हुए, जैसे हम कहते हैं कि वो बैटिंग करते रहे, स्लिप कॉर्डन लगा हुआ है, विकेट टर्निंग है, लेकिन फिर भी बैटिंग करते रहे हैं. So here we have our special appreciation awards for our partners. So सबसे पहले request Mr. Hemant Pandya from UCMAS Nigdi. Congratulations to you, sir, and congratulations to Mrs. Pandya as well. Okay, we also have Mrs. Neena Nagpal from UCMAS Sopanbag. You see, these are all awards, like I say, जहाँ पे national level competition के लिए तैयारियां करनी, state level के लिए तैयारियां करनी, काफ़ी चीज़ें इन्होंने साथ-साथ की हैं. We also have this appreciation award for Mrs. Saroj Parkhe from Kolhapur. She is not here today, so we will move on to Mrs. P. Lakshmi, who has just walked in, right in time, ma'am. Okay. UCMAS Pimpe Nilak gets an award for, we appreciate her contributions in the year 2020. We also would like to honor Urmila Shingare ma'am for being on the ball always, बहुत enthusiasm इन्होंने दिखाई right from the start, despite the challenges that she faces in her area, which is UCMAS Arandi. Congratulations, ma'am. We also have Arya Suman. Arya, ma'am, again somebody who's had problems on the domestic front, challenges हुए हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी हमेशा स्माइल करते रहती हैं. And here we are. That is Arya Suman, ma'am, from UCMAS Hadapsar. UCMAS Hadapsar में इनकी competition में है Trupti Patil, ma'am. So here we have Trupti Patil, ma'am, who also has been a great performer for 2020. Congratulations to you. We move on to the next appreciation award, and that is for Anjali Jadhav. Anjali ma'am is from UCMAS Rawet. इन्होंने भी कड़ी मेहनत की उन दिनों में, and we would like to honor her with a special appreciation award. Anjali Jadhav, UCMAS Rawet. UCMAS Jalna, Archana Kakade also wins this award, but she also is not here today. And I wonder if you would like to collect the award on her behalf. Okay. Fair. We move on to UCMAS Osmanabad. UCMAS Osmanabad is Rekha Sherkar. मैं आपको बता दूं कि इनके जो एरिया है वहाँ पे कनेक्टिविटी की इतनी इश्यूज होती हैं, और स्टार्टिंग में जब हमने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू किए, हम इनसे बात करते थे, तब वो यही कहती थी कि नहीं सर, यहाँ पे तो किसी को कनेक्टिविटी ढंग की नहीं आती है, किस तरीके से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लिए जाए ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. लेकिन उसके बावजूद उन्होंने मेहनत की, एंड शी हैज कनेक्टेड टू ऑल हर स्टूडेंट्स, व्हिच इज फैंटास्टिक गोइंग. वी ऑल्सो हैव a special appreciation award for UCMAS Wakad, which is Supriya Wag. Congratulations to you, ma'am. Moving on to the other end of town is UCMAS Katraj, which is Madhuri Bowal. We have a special appreciation award for Madhuri Bowal, UCMAS Katraj, and let us all join in congratulating her. She's just recently got married on her new journey. And we also have UCMAS Pimpe Saudagar, Sarika Kandekar. Congratulations to you. And with this, we are done with appreciating all our partners. Thank you so much. Over to you, Meeta ma'am.
Okay, let me take over. Sorry, from you, Meeta ma'am. Before we go on to our next segment, can we have the video of our previous CI awards, please?
आशीष, आप एक सीआई हैं, सो परहैप्स आप तो जानते होंगे सीआई के लाइफ में कैसे चैलेंजेस आते हैं और किस तरह से वो बच्चों को मोल्ड करते हैं. सो आई वुड लाइक कि आप कुछ कहें इस बारे में.
सीआई की लाइफ सिर्फ सीआई ही जानते हैं बट मैं कुछ लाइंस कहना चाहूँगा कि कैसे हम सीआईज की लाइफ किस तरह से टर्न अराउंड होती है और कैसे हम इन चैलेंजेस को फेस करते हैं. सुनिए. An ambition to do something different sprouted. Out of many opportunities that I counted, I met someone and the journey started.
All of math I learned when I was small. I thought I knew it all. But Yusima's abacus changed my life and taught me again how to solve.
Now I see numbers everywhere, all around. Listening abacus comes to me at click of a sound. Be it shopping, hopping, number plates, kgs or pounds.
Running and jiggling all the day long, driven by my passion and with this culture along. With Yusima's family, life has become a beautiful song.
Remainder 4. 74 and remainder 4. तो bracket में ही जाएगा ये. Here 3.41, 2.06, 4.78, 1.34, 5.26, 8.1.
Thank you, Nitin sir and Rashmi ma'am, for felicitating us and the gurus. Franchisees are special people who organize everything to the best to conduct classes efficiently and see to it that there is not a single thing left out. So, after appreciation and felicitating franchisees and gurus, we move on to the most awaited part of today's ceremony. And that is CI Awards. So, I will request now, sir, to felicitate our CIs. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Meeta ma'am, once again. And now for this segment, we will felicitate all the teachers who have stood up and overcome those challenges to teach their students online, engage the students online. We start with USIMA's Shivajinagar, Poonam Pingai. मैं आपको फिर से बता दूं कि हम लोग जो भी करते हैं, हम हमारे बच्चों के लिए जो भी करते हैं, ये करने के लिए जो लोग अग्रसर होते हैं वो है हमारे टीचर्स. एंड इंडीड these are the people who are the backbones of the entire system. Moving on to the next award is Kavita Patil from USIMA's Bane Road. Nayana Padman from USIMA's Aund. Congratulations to all of you. Congratulations, ladies. Netanjali Bhosle from USIMA's Pimple Saudagar. USIMA's Pimple Saudagar also gets another award for Deepa Komalwar and Seema Jagtap, both of whom are not here today. Moving on to Ruchi Shah from UCMAS Viman Nagar. Congratulations, Ruchi ma'am. And we would like to have Chanda ma'am also here. Chanda ma'am, UCMAS Viman Nagar. यूसीमास विमान नगर से निकलने के बाद में हम थोड़ा सा पूना से बाहर निकलते हैं और पहुंचते हैं यूसीमास तलेगांव. सो वी हैव श्रद्धा दुरुक्कर हियर who has also taken a lot of initiative during these challenging times. यूसीमास तलेगांव, श्रद्धा दुरुक्कर. We also have UCMAS Sangli Suchita Jain, again who is not represented here today. So we come back closer home and move on to Nigdi. Gangamai Naravde from UCMAS Nigdi. Congratulations to all you ladies. Tanuja Shah from UCMAS Chinswad also gets this award, and this is going to be collected by her franchisee owner, and that is Prafulla Pandya ma'am. Award for Tanuja Shah being collected by Prafulla Pandya. Megha Mamedwar from UCMAS Nigdi also wins this award. And I think Prafulla ma'am is going to collect that also on her behalf. From UCMAS Sinhagad Road, we have Dipali Shigwan, but I think she is also not here. It's being collected by Amrita Vadangekar from UCMAS Sinhagad Road. UCMAS Sinhagad Road or UCMAS Dhairi also wins an award for Madhuri Shelar. Madhuri Shelar, UCMAS Dhairi. The next award is for Mr. Manohar Singh Rathod, who is again not here today. And moving on to Swati Kadam from UCMAS Sinhagad Road. Swati Kadam from UCMAS Sinhagad Road also wins a Special Appreciation Award for the year 2020. UCMAS Punavale is also represented in this category by Mr. Ashish Paliwal, who I don't think has made it here today. So we will move on to Parima Chauhan. Parima Chauhan from UCMAS NIBM Road, also as a special felicitation for her. Congratulations, ma'am. UCMAS NIBM Road also has one more award in this category, Rekha Dudani. Rekha Dudani is not here, but it will be collected by Shirley on her behalf. Congratulations to you. And the last award in this category is for Vidya Thakur, Aurangabad. She is not here also. Just see the challenges posed by this year's events. So many of our partners who would normally have been with us, sharing in the success and glory of all our children, are not able to make it. So with this, we come to an end for the CI Awards. And now I will hand it back to Meeta ma'am and Neena ma'am to take things forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Nitin sir. After felicitating the gurus, the franchisee partners, we move on to the most awaited part of today. Kiddos, now it's your chance. That is ceremony, the most important part of today's ceremony, and that is announcement of awards. Now, taking into consideration of today's situation of corona pandemic, we are not able to call the winners here to collect. Their trophies will be collected and handed over to respective franchisees. They will hand over to the winning students. The results have been announced on 17th Feb, but not the positions. So, a winner child knows that he is winner, but he does not know whether he is champion, first runner-up, or ahead. The secret will be unfolded today. So, let's start. We will start with the highest award in ranking, and that award is Champion of Champions. Shut.
Yes, as we all usually call it in classes, and we tell our children, the COC.
We have COC Junior selected from level A to E.
And the COC Senior selected from levels F to I, or grand level.
Steps to win this awards are:
The first step, definitely children, is to keep participating in the competition.
should become a champion.
And let's see how we are selecting the COC. The child should score highest marks in the paper with the criteria of the age, level, and the marks taken into consideration. The highest scorer definitely becomes the champion of champions.
Champion of champion gets a special big trophy and rupees 5,000 cash prize.
Yay, that's awesome. Before we really go into the names, can we have a video, please?
$1,76,598, 4,23,671 minus 6,32,758, 8,91,436, 7,15,942. That is
7373384.
7373384 is the right answer.
So, we all saw our previous year's COCs. And I'm sure you all want to know who is it going to be this year. So, friends, the champion of champion junior is...
Hold on.
Ab kya hua, ma'am?
You can't take this privilege. COC Junior name will be called out by Nitin sir and Rashmi ma'am. I invite them here to most awaited name.
I think this honor is going to be done by Rashmi.
Okay, I know you all are eagerly waiting to know the COC junior as well as senior. And this year we have broken the tradition. What videos we saw in the previous years, we have seen one or two centers. There were one or two centers from where we were getting COCs. But this year, again, it's a different trend. And, bata de?
1 minute. And the shining star, champion of champion, is
Rudra Tavale from UCMAS Charoli Center. Congratulations, Rudra. Congratulations, Rudra. Congratulations to Manisha Tapkir and Mr. Vikas Tapkir, sir. So congratulations, all of you. Congratulations to the mentor, Manisha Tapkir ma'am. And congratulations, Rudra. Unfortunately, we cannot have you here today, but I'm sure you're thrilled, super excited to see this. And very soon you get your trophy.
Congratulations रुद्र को और आपको और मनीषा मैम को भी। मैं चाहती हूँ कि क्योंकि रुद्र तो आज हमारे साथ नहीं है क्योंकि ये सिचुएशन की वजह से, आप कुछ रुद्र के बारे में हमें बताइए कि उसकी क्या क्वालिटीज़ हैं कि उसको ये चैम्पियन ऑफ चैम्पियन बनाया जा रहा है।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Myself, Vikas Tapkir from. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Myself, Vikas Tapkir from UCMAS Charoli Center. And Rudra is very hardworking children, and his parents also helping his very hardly. And he's practicing ignoring his school syllabus also, but focusing more on our UCMAS syllabus. And that's all. He become a COC today.
Thank you.
लेकिन उनको 1 मिनट और रुकना पड़ेगा। ये पकड़ लीजिए अभी आपके बच्चे की बनती है। एक और अवार्ड इनके साथ जाता है, बिकॉज हम हमेशा मानते हैं कि चैम्पियन ऑफ चैम्पियंस बनना ये सिर्फ ऑफ कोर्स उनके पेरेंट्स की बहुत सारी उसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन होती है, लेकिन उनके जो मेंटोर हैं, जो उनकी टीचर हैं, उनका बहुत बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है इसमें। एंड फॉर दैट we will request you to keep that trophy for a moment and collect one more trophy for Manisha ma'am, which is the mentor award for her. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We wish that she was here today to take part in all this glory. Koi baat nahi. Chaliye. Thank you so much, Mr. Tapkir, for coming over. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment, Rudra. You are a champion of champion.
Heartiest congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. Tapkir and Rudra. Now, it's time to announce Champion of Champion Senior. To become Champion of Champion Senior, just think what energy is required, what passion is required, what hard work is required, what persuasion is required. Without all this, it is not possible to solve 10 to 15 papers a day, and then only a student can reap the sweet fruit of becoming champion of champion. And the champion of champions senior, COC, and the shining star is
any guesses? Chalo, at least not about the student, to center name.
Binsi.
Any guesses?
Vimannagar.
Vimannagar. What else?
Varsha ma'am.
Varsha ma'am. Any other guess? Okay, so we have all the centers who can produce COCs over here.
Yes.
But this year's COC Senior Award goes to. Bata do.
Hold on.
I'm so excited.
Please.
Okay, it goes to a very, very cute little child. Adriel Lopez from UCMAS, Nagar. Binsi and team, please come. Adriel, I hope you're watching this and you are super excited. I know how, like right from the beginning, we are observing you, a very hardworking child and a very hardworking parent too. And of course, you had your best of mentors. So congratulations, Adriel. And very soon you will be getting your trophy too. Unfortunately, we cannot have you here, but you will be getting your trophy very soon.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Binsi. It was nice and very great that the child has won, I think, a bigger trophy than himself. Thank you.
You would not like to know something from her?
Yes.
So I think she was in a hurry to carry the trophy back. Let's call her again. बहुत दूर नहीं पहुंची है वो अभी तक इस हॉल में. छोटा सा हॉल है. तो would you like to know a few things from her?
Yes.
पता नहीं क्या क्या चीजें बताएंगी वो. Over to you.
Binsi ma'am, can you share what was the routine followed by the winner child, if you don't mind?
Yeah, actually, the full credit I want to give it to Adriel and his mother, because this time I think the credit goes to only for both of them. Because in between I was in contact with Adriel's mom, so she shared me some Excel sheets. So in which it was so perfectly made how many sums from each category he is appearing and how many are going wrong and how many are correct. So it took, I think, lot of effort from her to get this trophy. So I think his mentor is also there, Malleshwari ma'am. So I would like to thank her, Adriel and his mother. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. So honest of Binsi. Thank you very much.
Okay, and like Binsi has just said, there are a lot of credit obviously goes to the mentor. And here we are. So, we would like to have Adriel's mentor on stage. Please come. Malleshwari ma'am, हम आपका नाम नहीं ले रहे हैं क्योंकि ऑलरेडी बिंसी ने आपका नाम ले लिया था. Hearty congratulations to you two for producing the winner of winner, champion of champion, winner of winner. Okay, 1 second, ma'am. 1 second. आप भी हमको बताइए. Binsi has just said that you are the mentor. You've worked hard with him, obviously. Can you tell us something about the child, about how you got him to practice? How did you ensure that he sat in front of his PC or laptop or whatever device he was using?
Actually, this year I will not take the credit, sir, because totally his mother gave him the practice and everything. It's not. I'm sure you must have guided him on the software and a lot of.
Yeah, so Malleshwari ma'am says she doesn't want to take the credit, so we take the trophy back from her. Okay, congratulations to you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And congratulations to you, Adriel, once again.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, congratulations to both our Champion of Champions, Junior and Senior. We are proud of you. We are proud of your parents. We are proud of your mentors. I know it's not one person's hard work which goes in bringing out the true champion in you. So I have been hearing since the beginning, and sir has also been saying, this has been a challenging year for all of us. In all spheres and phases, we have faced challenges, right from conducting classes to having the competition. This year was not challenging according to me. I would say it was unique. The competition too was unique. Our teaching methods were unique. We evolved every day. And in fact, we teachers became students by learning every day. So The most important event, the national competition, which was held in January, was a precursor to all the events which are going to be coming throughout the year. Children appeared for the competition. We took great care that the children were sitting in their houses, homes, on their tables to appear for the competition. We all made it an online competition, taking utmost care of the safety and health of the children. We did not want to compromise any aspect of the health of the child by coming and going anywhere. So the UCMAS company took great efforts in working out a software which could be helping the children. The whole competition was successfully possible because of this software. We all are aware of the plus of the software. And the most important aspect was the camera component. This made it very, very easy for us, for the parents, for the software people to monitor every activity of the child. It was taken care that the software was child-friendly and easy so that it could be used by a child who was even lesser than 6-year-olds. The software had many unique features, and I know one of the main features which many of the parents have gotten back to me with is that they got the answers correct immediately. So the child and the parent knew that how many questions are attempted, how many were correct, and I'm telling you, that's a very big task for a teacher and a parent. So the software took care of that. The software was made foolproof so that the camera was always on when the child appeared for not only the competition, but even the practice papers. So making the children user-friendly to the software was one of the main criteria which was looked into. The software was widely appreciated and accepted by all the parents. Let me tell you, earlier the competition was for 8 minutes where the child solved 200 sums depending on the level the child was in, which also included multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction sums. This year, the child was given 10 minutes to solve the same paper which was solved previously by the children. The reason for doing this was, since it is a new idea, a new concept for the children, they should be given some leverage for it. Both the national and the state level competitions were held successfully without any glitches because of the feasibility of the software and the care which was taken by the developers. We are thus proud to be part of UCMAS for conducting such a magnitude of competition successfully. So proud to be able to be part over here to announce the winners now of the national competition.
Thank you, Nina. We'll be now announcing the winners of national competition. First name that I will be announcing is Samarth Mittal, Z1 category, third runner-up from UCMAS Viman Nagar. Binsi Thomas was the franchisee. Rajveer Kakde, Z2 category, fourth runner-up from UCMAS Aurangabad, run by Shweta Daima. Arnav Shirish Authi, Z2 category, fourth runner-up from UCMAS Sihagad Road by Amruta Vadangekar. Shivani Mate, Z3 category, fourth runner-up from UCMAS Aurangabad, run by Shweta Daima. Bhavya Soni, Z3 category, fifth runner-up, UCMAS Aurangabad, Shweta Daima. Siddharth Banerjee, A2 category, second runner-up, Yusima's Aund, run by Varsha Desai. Vedika Gadekar, A2 category, champion, Yusima's Aurangabad by Shweta Daima. Sai Gadekar, A3 category, third runner-up, Yusima's Aurangabad, run by Vidya Thakur. Arjun Dongsarwar, B2 category, fourth runner-up, Yusima's Balewadi, run by Manisha Mahajan. Abhilasha Mishra, C2 category, fourth runner-up, Yusima's NIBM Road, run by Shirley Paul. Advik Mittal, D1 category, fifth runner-up, Yusima's Viman Nagar, run by Bincy Thomas. Shaurya Bhosle, E1 category, third runner-up, Yusima's Aund by Varsha Desai. Grishma Mahadik, E1 category, fourth runner-up, Yusima's Aund, Varsha Desai. Prisha Ghosh, E1 category, fifth runner-up, Yusima's Wagoli by Bincy Thomas. Swenisha Nagrale, E2 category, fifth runner-up, Yusima's Aund, run by Varsha Desai. Over to Vinina.
The next round of names. Ananya Dhoble, E1 category, champion, Yusima's Aurangabad, run by Shailesh Pujari. Shravya Minde, F1, fourth runner-up, from Alandi Road, Dighi, run by Urmila Shengare. Rishika Samant, F1 category, second runner-up, from Yusima's Viman Nagar, Bincy Thomas. Aryahi Deshmukh, G1 category, fourth runner-up, from Yusima's Aund by Varsha Desai. Amay Kharade, G1 category, fifth runner-up, from Yusima's Aund by Varsha Desai. Adriel Lopez, G1 category, first runner-up, from Yusima's Viman Nagar by Bincy Thomas. Ryan James Freddy, G1 category, fifth runner-up, from Yusima's Viman Nagar by Bincy Thomas. Sarthak Sharma, G2 category, fifth runner-up, from Yusima's Viman Nagar by Bincy Thomas. Ishan Patil, G3 category, third runner-up, from Yusima's Viman Nagar by Bincy Thomas. Palash Agarwal, H2 category, fifth runner-up, from Yusima's Viman Nagar by Bincy Thomas. Ananya Patil, I1 category, third runner-up, from Yusima's Viman Nagar by Bincy Thomas. Aryaman Maravar, I2 category, third runner-up, from Yusima's Aurangabad, Shweta Daima. I think we should give a big round of applause to all these children. They deserve it. They have been winners in the national level competition.
Thank you, Nina ma'am. We have one new awards being announced, and I will give that privilege to sir.
Okay, like Neena ma'am has been saying, Meeta ma'am has been saying, winning a trophy at national level is a huge achievement. Not that यहाँ पे जीतना achievement नहीं है, लेकिन national level में जहाँ 7,500 बच्चों ने participate किया था इस साल, वहाँ पे trophy जीतना is another thing altogether. And we would like to honor the center in Pune, which has got the maximum award winners at national level, and that is UCMAS Viman Nagar Wagholi, Binsi Dabas, once again. And like Neena ma'am has been saying, it has been a huge challenge for children to move on to the online methods. घर से practice करना, अपने parents को परेशान करना, और फिर ये teachers भी उनको परेशान करती थी, और उसके बावजूद national में awards जीतना. Thank you, congratulations. And now for the last 2 awards before we move on to our Z category. National level competition में awards जीतना तो मुश्किल है ही, और वहाँ पर champions बनना, national level पे champions बनना, ये और एक अगला पड़ाव है. और इसके लिए we have got 2 people here who have managed to do that. Shweta Daima from UCMAS Aurangabad. A big round of applause for her, though she is not here today. And we have Shubhangi Pujari also from Aurangabad. Shubhangi Pujari की student है अनन्या धोबले, जिन्होंने champion award जीता है national competition में. Congratulations to you, Ananya. Congratulations to you, Shubhangi ma'am. ऐसे नहीं, थोड़ा सा 1 सेकंड आप रुक जाइए यहाँ पर. बताइए कि you had a lot of challenges when we started the online methods. काफ़ी challenges थी, मुझे याद है हम बात करते थे फ़ोन पर. इधर आइए, हम आपको काटेंगे नहीं. उसके बावजूद आपने national competition में इन बच्चों की तैयारी की, and you ensured that a student became a champion. क्या खिलाया आपने?
सर खिलाया तो कुछ नहीं फिर हार्डवर्क बहुत था, बच्चों का भी था इसमें हार्डवर्क, और उसके साथ साथ में हमारे पूरे यूसीमास टीम का ही था. रश्मि मैम, आप, श्याम सर, वर्षा मैम, मीता मैम, सभी का इसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन है, सिर्फ मेरा ही नहीं है. और हार्डवर्क है. इस टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ में चलना, मतलब इतना लग रहा था स्टार्टिंग में बहुत जंबल हो जाएगा या होगा या नहीं, ये डर लगता था. पर जैसे ही मैम ने हमें इंट्रोड्यूस किया, सब हो गया, तो एज अ फैमिलियर हो गए उस टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ में, और बच्चों ने भी बहुत जल्दी अच्छे से अचीव कर लिया और ये सक्सेस मिल गया. थैंक यू सर.
एक लास्ट सवाल, जब आपको पता चला कि अनन्या धोबले नेशनल चैंपियन बन गई है, तो ये आंसू कितने देर बहते रहे?
सर खुशी के आंसू
आज भी बह रहे हैं.
यस सर. और लास्ट 8 डेज में ये प्रैक्टिस हुई थी. लास्ट डेट 17 जनवरी को फॉर्म फिलअप किया था नेशनल लेवल के लिए, और लास्ट 7 डेज जो थे वो सारी मेहनत करके ये चैंपियन की ट्रॉफी लाई है.
क्या बात है. Congratulations once more to you, ma'am. Congratulations to Ananya. Thank you so much, and we move on now to the Z category, is it? Okay, over to you.
Yes, 1 minute, sir. Before going to the Z category, I want to share the life of a UCMAS student with all of you here and all of you watching us live. So can we please just have a glimpse of that?
मैम, ये कॉन्सेंट्रेट तो कर पाएगी ना? UCMAS का फायदा होगा ना उसे? मैं बहुत वरीड हूँ.
Don't worry, UCMAS will take care of her.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं.
जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, आज बालेवाड़ी स्टेडियम में स्टेट लेवल कंपटीशन बड़े ही उत्साह के साथ हो रहा है, जिसमें 2000 से ज्यादा बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं।
And the champion of champion trophy goes to Saptaparna Chakravarti.
उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ, जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत। आज हम ऑनर करेंगे यूसिमास के उन टैलेंटेड बच्चों का जिन्होंने कड़ी मेहनत से ये मकाम पाया है। They are now यूसिमास graduates.
The song that was played was so appropriate to the UCMAS journey. And I always appreciate parents being in a dilemma. Will my children get something by enrolling in the UCMAS? And you see the end, the graduation ceremony and the achievement in life. Now, we will start announcing awards. The name of the winner will be called and his or her picture will be displayed here. That is Z category. Friends, Z category means uncompleted first level, basic level. The child has reached a stage where he can participate in competition. Children participating in Z category are children who are who are participating for the first time in competition. These chintus are wonderful because many a times we have seen champion completing all 200 sums